I've been hearing people making millions from cryptos and Bitcoin, right? And you are still confusing. So is it real? What are they doing to make this money? So I want to show you the proof of them making money from this online space. As a starter, I just start crypto trading, right? So I want to show you my dashboard and show you how much I'll be making from this crypto that you are seeing before I dive into it. So that's the reason why you need to watch these videos today. If I can do it, you can do it too, right? So let me just show you my dashboard. You can see my dashboard, right? So you can see my dashboard right now. So I have $1,000 on my dashboard, right? So I'm sharing you this on my screen also. So I have $1,000 on my dashboard. And how do I make this money? You too can do the same when we're talking about crypto. Even if you are a beginner that want to start invest in this online space, right? Just need to focus, learn. Once you keep learning, you keep making money. Crypto is not for people that have money. So even if you are still have small change, you can still start crypto and start making money, right? Once you know what you are doing about what you are learning in this online space, right? So I'll just move you through the steps on how you can start and make money. There's a different way for you to make money when it comes to crypto, right? But the one that I particularly do right now is crypto and forex trading right now. And I have other things that I do it about crypto. There's crypto staking that you can do and start making money from this online space too. Right. So let me just move you to the step and show you the result on how I make this money, how I get this money. Right. So I'll just come to my trade right now. I just come to my trade and I come to the weekly order right here. You see my last trade right here, I win $5 and you can see this $5 was done within 5 minutes, right? I just do that to test the trade again because I don't normally trade on this platform. So I just want to show you guys how to trade on this platform and how I reach $1,000 on this particular platform right here. So if I can see on my screen, you see if you check the opening time, you check the closing time, and you see the difference. I opened this within 6:54 a.m. right? So and I close it at 7:11 a.m. How did I do this? How did I do it within that's up to like 15 minutes, let's say 15 minutes or 13 minutes. I make this $5 from this online space without doing anything. All what I need to do is follow the market, follow the trends, and I make money from this particular website right here. So what you need to know about crypto is that there's a secret that they didn't tell you on how to make money when it comes to trading, right? There's a secret that they didn't tell you, and I will show you the secret, but not in this video. If you want to learn the secret, go to the comment sections, just type crypto. Once I reach 20 comments, I will drop the secret for you guys. I will come and drop the secret for you guys or give you the PDF that you can join to get started and know the secret so that I can make a lot of money from this online space. And what is it that you don't understand is that as at yesterday, Bitcoin is rise, okay, but as of today, Bitcoin have reduced to maybe like 105 or 104 dollars, okay, 105 or $104,000 right now. So I want to show you what you need to know about these things very well. So when you come to the market right now, see there is a lot of market from this particular website which I'm showing you right now. This website called BTC Dana, right, which I'm currently using for my trade, right. So I don't use Bybit for now. Right? So if you come to the forex, you see they list the type of forex that you can join right here. So you can come to the forex right now. I don't normally trade on forex, the money is too slow. That's the difference between crypto and the forex, right? So let me just come to the crypto right now and you see the crypto too, all the crypto is falling as of today, right? And you see that Bitcoin right now is at 104,874, right? So how do you make money with this? Then I come to the chart and you see the last trade for the Bitcoin is 106. The highest for the Bitcoin before it come down is 106. And if you can check the time this thing is going, right, you see it's coming down, and it's coming down. Right now, if I sell, there's possibility for me to make money, and I want to sell for you guys to show you guys how these things is working, right? So I just click on the sell right now, and you see something right now is that they give me different volume. So I want to go with the volume that will give me more money. So I want to go with the volume of 1 right now. So I want to trade. I want to sell right now with volume of 1. Right, so I just trade with volume of 1. Let me check the trade right now. I want to stop the trade. I'm going to see that I've already been making $7. You see, $7, $10, right? You see, $10, $7. Let me wait and see. This is a live trading that you can ever see. Right? If you want me to go live and show you these things very well, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to type crypto in the comment section so that I can get a lot of things from this website. So once this money is, you see, I've been losing $10 right now, but there's possibility for me that I will still make more money from these things right now. So I'm losing $16 right now. This is a live trading. I just want to show you this. But I think if this is taking too long, guys, I'll show you in my next video the result of this trade. Just know the time and see that this trade will surely come, right? So it will surely come. So it is keep reducing right now. So let's just move into other things, or let me set it at the stop loss. I will take profit so that when these things reach, I will just make money from this particular website right now. So let me just input it right here. I don't want to use $50. Let me use 10, $60, 20, $50. I see let's say $70 no. Let me just use 60, $10, 50, $20. Let me check if they can stop the loss at $20 right here. So say the maximum is 135. Let me choose 135. Let me choose 135 right here. The coin is keep increasing. As it keep increasing, they didn't allow me to reduce the money, so I just need to wait for these things to come back, to come down, so that I can make money from this particular website. So how can you make money on this website if you want to start trading? When you want to start trading, all what you need to do is to follow the market and know how this is working before you jump into it. And the secret that I want to tell you guys, just go to the comment section, like this video, share it with others, so that I know that you guys are active, you know the secret, right? So which I'll show you in my next video how those big traders are doing and make money, right? So in my screen right now, you see the money have come down and it keeps going up, and I will just wait and still follow these things so that I can stop the money when I get profit that I like. I just want the profit to be like $20, then I'll stop it, right? If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share these videos.